Hey everyone, want to pay your bills quickly and easily with Revolut? In this guide, I'll show you how to do it step by step in 2025. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Log in and go to the Payments tab at the bottom of your screen. Step 2. Select Pay a Bill or Pay a Contact. Choose the Bill Pay option or the contact if the biller is saved. Step 3. Enter bill details. Fill in the biller's name, account number, and the amount you want to pay. Step 4. Confirm payment details. Double-check the information to avoid mistakes. Step 5. Confirm and send payment. Authorize the payment using your security method like PIN or biometrics. Important tips. Make sure your Revolut balance has enough funds before paying. Save frequent billers for faster payments next time. Check for any bill payment fees depending on the provider. That's it. Pay bills on Revolut easily and on time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Revolut tips and tricks.